Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at a new part for the 67 to 72 Ford trucks, the heater air inlet hose. Rubber parts, especially those in the heater system, dry out and deteriorate with age. They become brittle and fail to seal the surfaces properly like when they were new. This air inlet connector hose is no exception. It mounts to the right-hand air vent assembly that bolts to your kick panel, and the larger end goes into the heater box. It directs the fresh outside air into the heater box assembly. This hose fits all 67 to 72 F100 through F750s. They are made from high-quality rubber and feature the factory-correct accordion-style bellows for a perfect trouble-free fit. So if you're restoring a 67 to 72 Ford truck, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.